What's up, home bartenders? Let's make an apple brandy sipper for the fall season because this time of year, apple brandy is my favorite spirit and it should be yours too. Let's do it.
Starting with apple brandy, we've got some Lillet, we've got our homemade apricot liqueur, and a little bit of absinthe. This is La Fontaine. Starting with 2 ounces of our local apple brandy, use your Applejack or whatever you have, Calvados is good. 3/4 ounce of your Lillet or any aromatized white wine will work. After that, we want a touch of apricot liqueur. Check out that recipe. 1/4 ounce of our apricot into our glass, and we're gonna finish that off with just a dash of absinthe. There it is. All right, let's get some ice in our mixing glass, and we're gonna give that a good stir until the ice settles and is properly diluted in a chilled Nick and Nora glass. And this one actually calls for no garnish.
All right, we're going to try this in a minute, but before we do that, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell, get notified because we're doing a lot more fall cocktails in the coming weeks. You don't want to miss out. La Fontaine, the fountain. I mean, the apple flavors coming off this, amazing. This apple brandy is phenomenal. If you're in Canada, if you're in Ontario, Spy Distillery, Matahari, apple brandy, amazing. All right, let's give this a try. Oh, wow. That's phenomenal. This is a phenomenal fall sipper. Obviously very apple forward. The apple brandy really comes through. The Lillet mellows it a little bit so that you're not, drinking a straight spirit, and it gives it a lovely aroma. The touch of apricot is giving it a little more fruitiness and a little sweetness, but it's still very much apple forward. You get a tiny hint of the absinthe, that anise flavor on the back end. Not a whole lot. 1 dash is plenty. You don't want the absinthe to take over, so 1 dash is plenty. I wonder if it would make a difference if you spritz the glass instead of doing a dash in there, but honestly, can't complain. This is a really, really nice drink. Add this to your fall repertoire, absolutely. And make sure you check out these 5 other apple brandy cocktails because they're phenomenal, as well as our playlist of fall cocktails. And we will be adding so much more to it in the next couple of weeks. So we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.